Hey guys, we have an exciting announcement to make. This morning we started with maple syrup and bacon muffins. It's a real treat, something we've never tried before, but everyone liked them and they turned out really great. Our oldest daughter moved the geese to a new home down here by the camper, by the barn, where they can have more shelter. We're partnering with Two Ridges Pottery to come out with the Art and Brie mug. It's the second edition. We did this last year with Two Ridges Pottery, and they made us some beautiful mugs that said Art and Brie on them. This year it's a new design. The mugs are amazing. You've got to check them out. Everyone is handmade. This is a fairly new and growing pottery business that we're partnering with. There's a link in this video description. Now, you have to understand, the link doesn't show you an Art and Brie mug, but it shows you a mug that's basically exactly like the mug that is going to be the Art and Brie mug. They're not made yet because she hasn't gotten orders yet. So as soon as you put in orders, she's going to start making these mugs. We're going to do only up to 50 mugs. And when you look at the link in the description, the mugs say Sneed Acres. It's a beautiful mug. It has a speckled white glaze on the top and then a clear glaze on the bottom with a mountain design. Our logo is actually going to be on the mug, and I think you'll agree that it's a very beautiful and tasteful coffee or tea mug. So check out the link in the description if you're interested. You have until December 1st at midnight to order, and if you live in the continental 48 states, you can expect to get them by Christmas. She's going to ship them on the 19th, and so you can have the reasonable expectation, barring disaster or a huge shipping delay, that you'll get them by Christmas. We are really excited about these mugs. We're going to order several for ourselves, and I know a lot of you all who appreciate fine craft will appreciate these mugs, and also know that it's actually a good value for a custom-made handmade mug. I just want to remind you that these t-shirts, ooh, it's a little chilly out here, these t-shirts are available. This is the Another Great Day on the Homestead t-shirt. They're through Bonfire. The t-shirts, this is my favorite t-shirt to wear, honestly. My favorite t-shirt that I have pretty much ever owned. It's extremely comfortable. And if you're going on there and want this t-shirt because it's so comfortable, it's called the Next Level Tee. This is our little kind of Christmas gift offering. The t-shirt and the mug. If you all are interested, check out, there'll be the top two links in the description. And we're gonna sign out. I'm making another video for tomorrow, so I'm gonna keep this one really short, but I wanted to get the ball rolling so we can get these mug orders in on time so we can have them out for Christmas. All right, y'all have a great day, and thanks for checking in with us. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, how are the muffins? Tell me, after you've eaten them and tried them, are they good? Yeah. So maple bacon, is that a good combination for a muffin?
Yeah. Dad, can you give me water, Dad?
Yeah, I can. Have you ever had bacon in a muffin?